In today's digital age, the intersection of artificial intelligence and Google tools has opened up a world of opportunities for individuals looking to boost their income. Imagine making thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home, all by harnessing the power of AI and the vast resources available through Google. From content creation to data analysis, the potential earnings are not just a dream. They are a reality for many savvy entrepreneurs and freelancers. In this video, we will explore how people are leveraging these technologies to create lucrative income streams. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding how to utilize AI and Google tools can significantly enhance your financial prospects. As we dive deeper, we'll highlight the importance of embracing technology in today's fast-paced world. Those who adapt and leverage these advancements are not only staying ahead of the curve but also paving the way for financial success. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI and Google, stay tuned as we guide you through the strategies and tools that can transform your financial future. Understanding AI and Google tools. In the realm of income generation, various AI tools and Google services stand out for their ability to streamline processes and boost productivity. One of the most popular AI tools is ChatGPT, which can assist in content creation, customer service, and even brainstorming ideas. By automating these tasks, businesses can save time and focus on strategic growth. On the Google side, services like Google Ads enable users to reach targeted audiences effectively. With its powerful analytics, businesses can optimize their ad campaigns, ensuring they get the best return on investment. This combination of AI and Google tools not only enhances efficiency but also opens up new avenues for revenue generation. For instance, in the e-commerce industry, companies are using ChatGPT to create engaging product descriptions and handle customer inquiries, leading to improved sales and customer satisfaction. Similarly, digital marketing agencies leverage Google Ads to drive traffic to their clients' websites, resulting in increased conversions. These examples illustrate how integrating AI and Google services can lead to significant financial success across various sectors. By embracing these technologies, individuals and businesses alike can unlock their full earning potential. Identifying profitable niches. Finding a lucrative niche for your AI and Google-based projects is crucial for maximizing your earning potential. The first step is to conduct thorough research into trending topics and market demands. By staying informed about what's currently popular, you can identify areas where there is a growing interest and potential for profit. One effective way to gauge trends is by using Google Trends. This tool allows you to see how often specific search terms are being queried over time, helping you pinpoint emerging topics. Additionally, keyword research tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can provide insights into search volume and competition, guiding you toward niches that are not only in demand but also less saturated. However, it's essential to align your personal interests with market needs. When you choose a niche that you are passionate about, you are more likely to stay motivated and produce high-quality work. This combination of market demand and personal enthusiasm can lead to a successful project that resonates with your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively identify profitable niches that leverage the power of AI and Google tools, setting the stage for financial success. Creating AI-driven content. In the digital landscape, creating engaging content is key to attracting and retaining audiences, and AI tools can significantly enhance this process. For instance, AI-generated articles can provide well-researched, informative pieces on trending topics, making it easier for you to publish high-quality content quickly. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, draft articles, or even create social media posts that resonate with your target audience. Additionally, AI can assist in producing videos and graphics. Platforms like Lumen 5 use AI to transform text into engaging video content, while tools like Canva leverage AI to help you design eye-catching graphics effortlessly. These examples illustrate how AI can streamline content creation across various formats, making it accessible for creators of all skill levels. However, it's crucial to prioritize quality and relevance in your content. Audiences are drawn to material that is not only informative but also engaging and tailored to their interests. Therefore, don't hesitate to experiment with different formats and styles. Whether it's infographics, podcasts, or interactive content, trying out various approaches can help you discover what resonates best with your audience. By leveraging AI tools creatively, you can produce compelling content that drives engagement and growth. Monetizing your efforts. Once you've created valuable content using AI and Google tools, the next step is to explore various monetization strategies to turn your efforts into income. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche, and incorporate these links into your content naturally. Another effective strategy is generating ad revenue through platforms like Google AdSense. Setting up an AdSense account is straightforward. Simply apply online, and once approved, you can place ads on your website or YouTube channel. The more traffic you attract, the higher your potential earnings from ad clicks. Additionally, consider selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or printables. These products can provide a steady stream of passive income once created. However, it's essential to focus on building an audience first. A loyal following not only increases your chances of making sales but also ensures sustainable income over time. Engage with your audience through social media, newsletters, and community interactions to foster relationships that can lead to long-term success in monetizing your efforts. Scaling your business. As you begin to see success with your AI and Google-based ventures, the next step is scaling your business to reach even greater heights. One effective way to do this is by utilizing automation tools that streamline your processes and save valuable time. Tools like Zapier can connect different applications, automating repetitive tasks such as email marketing, social media posting, and data entry. This allows you to focus on strategic growth rather than getting bogged down in day-to-day operations. Reinvesting your profits into marketing and expansion is another crucial strategy for scaling. Consider allocating funds to targeted advertising campaigns through Google Ads or social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Additionally, investing in new technologies or hiring freelancers can help you expand your offerings and improve service quality. Lastly, the importance of continuous learning and adaptation cannot be overstated. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies is vital for long-term success. Attend webinars, take online courses, and engage with industry communities to enhance your knowledge. By embracing automation, reinvesting wisely, and committing to lifelong learning, you can effectively scale your AI and Google-based business for sustained growth. Real-life success stories. In the world of AI and Google, numerous individuals have transformed their passions into profitable ventures, serving as inspiring examples for aspiring entrepreneurs. Take the story of Sarah, a freelance writer who leveraged AI tools like ChatGPT to enhance her content creation process. By automating her writing tasks, she was able to take on more clients and significantly increase her income. Sarah faced challenges in the beginning, such as finding her niche and managing time effectively, but her persistence paid off as she built a thriving freelance business. Another remarkable example is Mark, who started a digital marketing agency using Google Ads. Initially, he struggled to attract clients, but he invested time in learning about SEO and effective ad strategies. By continuously optimizing his campaigns and focusing on client relationships, Mark grew his agency from a one-man operation to a team of 5 within 2 years. These success stories highlight the importance of resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges. By learning from the journeys of individuals like Sarah and Mark, viewers can gain valuable insights into effective strategies and the mindset needed to succeed. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and with the right tools and determination, you can carve your own path to success. In this video, we've explored various strategies for making money using AI and Google tools, highlighting the incredible potential these technologies offer. We discussed the importance of identifying profitable niches, creating engaging AI-driven content, and implementing effective monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing and ad revenue. Additionally, we emphasized the value of scaling your business through automation and continuous learning. As you embark on your journey, remember that taking action and experimenting with different approaches is crucial. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and those who adapt and innovate will find the most success. Don't be afraid to try new tools, explore various formats, and refine your strategies based on what works best for you. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on leveraging AI and Google for financial success. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more content that empowers you to achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.